Meet the Aromax, the perfect HVAC diffuser for homes, apartments, and offices for up to 16,000 square feet. Setting it up is quick and easy. Let's get started. Inside the box, you'll find the Aromax diffuser, a power cable, magnetic tags, a wall mount with its screws, an empty bottle with its nozzle, and an HVAC connecting hose. To release the security pin and remove the bottle from your diffuser, place the included magnetic tag on the specific area of the diffuser where the lock mechanism is located. In this case, in the front of the diffuser on the top. Once the magnetic tag is correctly positioned, the lock will release, allowing you to smoothly pull out the empty bottle. Choose your favorite Aromely diffuser oil and fill it up. And secure it back into the diffuser. Important, don't ever mix water with oil. Connect the power cord onto the diffuser, which is located on the side where the power button is in red. Flick the switch, and it'll automatically start misting in its default setting. Customize your experience, adjust scent intensity, and set a schedule using our Aromely app available on both Google Play and the App Store for automatic fragrance control at your convenience. You are now ready to enjoy the art of scent.